At Domo, we get it. Different roles have different needs. Business users want easy-to-access data and self-service tools to solve problems fast, while data and tech teams prioritize governance and architecture. That's why Domo is built for both. We empower business users to explore data freely while giving data and tech teams the control they need to govern effectively. We also know that you are making significant investments in modern data ecosystem partners, such as Snowflake, Databricks, Oracle, BigQuery, Redshift, and IBM. But the opportunity to maximize your ecosystem investments are bigger than ever. How can you make data accessible to fuel smarter decisions? How can you meet growing analytics demand without compromising security or governance? How can you extract even greater value from your data? Domo helps bridge that gap, enabling businesses to act on data quickly while maintaining data and IT oversight. Enter Cloud Amplifier, the key to scaling your data's impact.
That's right, Mohammed. If you use Cloud Amplifier already, then you know what a game changer it is. For those who might not be as familiar, our flexible architecture runs on your cloud data warehouse with ease. And with query, load, and processing capabilities, your data stays exactly where you need it, ready to deliver insights. It's the ultimate foundation for scaling, integrating, and empowering teams, all while getting the most out of your existing systems. And our ongoing improvements are clearly resonating with customers because just in the last year, we've seen a 5x increase in monthly active users.
Wow. I'd say that's a strong signal. Give it up for our product team on that. Impressive. But we're not stopping there. We're continuing to make some exciting new updates to Cloud Amplifier. And today, we're going to explore a few key enhancements that will help take the value of your data and tech investments to the next level. Where should we start?
Glad you asked. With our data integration capabilities, we've made working with data simpler and smarter. Business users can use low-code tools to make quick changes to their cloud data, unlock insights, and drive action without constant reliance on data and tech teams. At the same time, data and tech teams retain full control over governance and security and architecture, ensuring that everything stays compliant and optimized. We're also blending dark data, those untapped insights hiding in plain sight, and hydrating from the edge, all while keeping your data right where it is. It's an easier, faster way to get what you need so you can focus on making smart business decisions.
And that's the goal, right? To help our customers get to those faster, more informed decisions. I'd love to see what we're adding and doing on the integration front. So tell me, what solutions or updates do we have to help customers get more out of their data ecosystem?
Well, here's the cool part. We're adding the ability to use Snowflake native SQL syntax in Magic ETL pushdown. We know a lot of Snowflake users are pro coders who prefer writing SQL over drag-and-drop tools. Now they can copy their existing SQL straight into Domo and run it natively. No hassle. And for those who aren't yes, exactly, clap for that one. And for those who aren't SQL experts, they can keep using Magic ETL's low-code tools to transform data all in the same interface. It's simple, flexible, and works for everyone.
This is great. Sounds like a feature for teams of all skill levels.
Exactly. It's perfect for business users and long-time Snowflake users with tons of pre-built SQL queries. And starting with Snowflake sets the stage for so much more. It's an exciting road ahead.
I totally agree. Let's talk about Magic ETL in large data sets for a moment. Previously, Magic ETL pushdown supported full replace of output data sets.
Not anymore. We've added subset processing support, giving users more flexibility on Snowflake outputs. Instead of replacing everything, you can pick what works best. Updating a sales table daily? Append just one day's data. Managing historical snapshots? Use upsert or partitioning for smarter, more efficient updates.
So it sounds like you only process what's needed, which makes data pipelines faster and cost-effective. I love it. It's impressive how everything we've discussed directly supports stronger collaboration while ensuring you get the most out of your technology investments.
I completely agree. Let's talk about managing data access and control. Previously, only admins could manage Cloud Amplifier integrations. Now, with cloud integration sharing, admins can assign detailed permissions to different people. For example, admins can allow specified users to add new tables in Domo from their respective cloud data warehouse.
That's great. Better admin control sounds like a major leap forward for governance, scalability, and team collaboration. What else can we look forward to?
Well, building on that, we are giving more control on who can load, also referred to as write, their data to certain environments. For example, a data engineer may need to load to a bronze, silver, or gold environment, while a business user should only be able to load to a departmental sandbox environment. To address this, Domo now supports configurable table locations in Snowflake, so you can pick the right database, schema, and table name that aligns with your organization's best practices.
Managing different warehouses also means managing secure connections to each environment. Can you tell us about updates on securely connecting to each of these environments?
Absolutely. I'm excited to tell you about our integration with third-party credential managers. Now, you can connect to third-party password and credential vaults and store your Snowflake credentials in your system of choice instead of Domo. This ultimately gives you greater flexibility and ensures your sensitive data stays protected within your existing security setup.
Sounds like a fantastic addition. Offering users greater flexibility with their credentials management will enable further adoption of our Cloud Amplifier capabilities.
That's right. The tools we've introduced not only simplify data workflows for business users, but also strengthen the ability of data and tech teams to manage and govern effectively. This balance ensures organizations can maximize the potential of their cloud data warehouses while making and enabling faster decision-making.
I absolutely love it. So to wrap up, what does it mean to run Domo on your cloud data warehouse? You can query directly from, load data directly to, and process data directly on your cloud, and your data never leaves your cloud. With query integration, use your favorite Domo tools for visualization, automation, transformation, governance, and leverage Domo.AI, all without moving or replicating data from your cloud. And with load integration, you can add new data to your cloud with Domo's connectors and enrich it with AI and ML. Finally, you can process data directly on your cloud. This means you can execute Magic ETL's no-code data transformation running on your cloud, eliminating unnecessary data transfer. Data integration capabilities, Snowflake native SQL syntax and Magic ETL, subset processing support, configurable table locations, and credential manager are now available in beta for Snowflake. Wow, that is a lot. We are excited for you to unlock the full potential of your data. Stay tuned for continuous innovation as we explore these possibilities together. In addition, we've just shared the tip of the iceberg on some of our great product announcements today. We're going to hear and see more. I urge you all to go check out our product booth. There will be long lines, but get there early, and you'll learn about many of these capabilities and see more. Thank you.